Heading overseas and worried about getting hit with huge fees just to access your own money? If you're traveling, studying abroad, or just exploring the world, you know that managing your cash across different currencies can be a huge headache. You're trying to enjoy a new place, but your bank is busy calculating hidden fees, bad exchange rates, and transaction costs. It's time to ditch that stress. That's where Paysend comes in. It's a game changer for international money transfers, offering a simple, fast, and transparent way to handle your money while traveling. Think of it as your financial co-pilot for global adventures. So, how do you actually use Paysend while you're traveling abroad? It's all about making quick, affordable transfers whenever you need them. First, keep the Paysend app on your phone. This is your primary tool. Before you leave, or as soon as you land, make sure you have it downloaded and your account is set up. You can send money to over 170 countries, right from your pocket. Next, understand the low, fixed fee model. This is Paysend's biggest advantage. While traditional banks charge percentage-based fees that scale up with the amount you send, Paysend typically charges a single, flat, low fee for cross-currency transfers, often just a couple of dollars or euros. This transparency is key. You'll see the exact fee and the locked-in exchange rate before you confirm the transfer. This lets you budget accurately and avoid nasty surprises. The most common use case for travelers is topping up a local or multi-currency account. Maybe you have a local bank account or a prepaid card set up for your travels. Instead of carrying large amounts of cash, we're using your home bank card for every purchase, which often carries high foreign transaction fees. You can use Paysend to transfer money from your primary bank account back home to your travel account. Here's the simple process. Log into the Paysend app. Select the country you want to send money to, your current location or a recipient's location. Enter the amount you need. Choose your transfer method. This can be directly to a bank account or a card. Paysend makes this incredibly easy, often just needing the recipient's card number. Review the fees and rate, see the exact amount that will arrive. Confirm the transfer. Because a huge majority of Paysend transfers are practically instant, that money is often available to you or your travel partner in seconds. This speed and convenience means you can manage your money on a need-to-know basis, helping you stay secure and flexible. So, ditch the stress of expensive conversions and hidden bank charges. With Paysend, you get transparency, speed, and affordability, letting you focus on the sights, not the cents. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.